Alright, well I got speakers in, one right there, so let's start this. These are Pionners with the subs. That's only on 5 bass, so if I'll even show you. 5, dude, 10 is like insane. Yeah, I don't want it too loud because then my mom will get really pissed out, or my dad gets pretty pissed. He's like, I usually, see when I drive around, I put it on -9, because it's still fucking loud, dude, like. Well, I got all of them in, so we are ready to go, I guess. Put the covers back on the back, so. I'm like, why I gotta be all that, but still I can't deny the fact. This is all speakers. Expressing all them feelings, soap opera rappers, all these sound like all my children, and that's who you thinking is about to come and make a killing. I guess it really is just me, myself, and all my millions. You know that they ain't even got it like that. You gon' hype me up and make me catch a body. Alright, well, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.